So this is still part 1, and we are on step number 9. And it says to create a rectangle for the small headband on the speaker housing. And so we're going to do another small rectangle. And that one's going to be 8 by 42. And then the lower corner radius is going to be set to 4. So what that's saying is that both your left and your right lower corner is going to be set to 4. And that's going to make it shaped right there into a curve. It's going to be Control C to get that fill color. Oh, I just copied that. Let's see. Control C. And there we go. It's already that color. So that works. And then we're going to duplicate it. And we're going to copy our color here. And then we're going to see where to put it. So they're putting it right there, where this one's going to line up. And see how it kind of covers there. So we may need to move these down just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, so now we still have a shade there. And there we go. So this one I'm just going to arrow down 1. And then I'm going to line that up so that we have that nice shading happening there. See, it matches. Okay, so step 9, and then now we're heading into step 10. So continue with a small headband using an 8 by 10 rectangle. So we're going to get a rectangle tool and do a little one there. Ooh, man, I was almost done with that one too. And then this is going to be our fill color. Control C. Control V for Vendetta. Too young to probably know that movie. Most of you. Let's see. And so that's going to go up here. Right there. And see, this is a little too much over, so we can always move it. Let's see. Let's move that just a little bit over. And then just gonna use arrows to kind of do what I want with it. And only reason I'm doing this is just to make it look better. Let's see. You're welcome to do this too or not. It's just semantics. Just making it look nice. If you mess up, Control Z is what you can do to undo, by the way. That'll work. Cool. And then we're going to create the hinge. So now it's saying to use the ellipses tool. So this one that looks like a circle. You hold this down and then select ellipses. And we're going to make a little circle there. 12 by 12. So it's going to be 12 by 12. And let's see. So we're actually going to duplicate, and it's going to be in that same color. If you notice, we're using the same color scheme. So we're going to copy and paste. And oops, I messed up where I did that one 12 by 12 when it should have been 16 by 16 for the first one. So this one we're going to make 16 by 16. Your second one's the right size. And then we're going to line it up. Use your arrow to kind of get it. You want it. There we go. This is where it matters how you had your pixels set up from the beginning, because otherwise, if you don't have it by like 2 or 4 or whatever, then it'll take forever to get lined up. It won't, and that's where that snap to grid, why that's important. Okay, so then step 12, we're going to draw the headband support using a 16 by 18 pix rectangle. So we're going to select our rectangle. There we go. And it's going to be 16 by 18. And so this is for your fill color. It's already set to that, so you're good on that. But now we're going to select a chamfer corner fill lowers. And so let's find that. So this is the corner type. And this is where you can select the inverted round or the chamfer. So we're going to do that. And then do 4. Because it's such a 0, it may not have let you do the chamfer yet, so you may have to go in and, yeah, select that. There we go. Okay. And see, that just has a little bit more of an edge to it. Send the rectangle to the back. Okay, so it wants us to set this to the back. So we're going to set it on top here. And then do right click, arrange, send backwards, right click, arrange, send backwards, and there you go. Now it's behind. And if you get down with these lines, you can literally just click on it and hit delete, and it'll get rid of it. Okay, so then step 13, we're going to create a new 12 by 20 pixel rectangle. That's all just a bunch of little rectangles, guys. Okay. Going to select that color. And then the lower corner's radius to 6. So go over here. And see it's naturally already set to that corner, so it won't change back to the chamfer or anything unless you make it. Okay, so then we're going to paste and color. You can go ahead and do the arrange, send backwards, and that is going to go on top here. So grab this one first. There we go. There we go. Line that up just a little bit. Okay, so then for step 14, we're going to create 2 rectangles. And this is going to be the headband strap. And I think I'm actually going to do another video just so that it breaks it up and it's not so long of a video. So I'll be right back with that.